my name is Amy Sturkey. I am a pediatric physical therapist. I'm here with Ilya, and Ilya is 9 months old. And he was 1 month premature, so he should be compared to more like an 8-month-old baby. And Ilya can sit independently, but he still falls out of sitting. He can't get into sitting yet independently. He can get into hands and knees and rock, but cannot crawl. So he needs to work on weight shifts and propping on one arm and lifting up the other arm to be able to get into sitting and to crawl. So one of the things I like working on is just starting to sit asymmetrically. So I've got him slightly downhill, his legs are more together, he's downhill, and I've got him propping on one elbow on my other leg. Here we go, nicely done. So one arm is more free to play, one arm is propping. And because it's on the elbow, it's a little bit easier. In one of the earlier videos, I had him propping on one arm on the hand. Here I have him propping on the elbow, and it makes it easier. When I do any kind of working, I try to add some movement in because when you stay still, it does not encourage muscle activity. So you can see I'm kind of rocking him back and forth. Here it is, to try to encourage muscle activation. There you go. Now we know he had a torticollis, so he's at risk for the other side being, one side being stronger than the other. So let's just check the other side. Whoop. Let me see. And we'll go this way. I'm going to try propping on left arm. Ooh, I see. This might be the tricky side. Let's find out. Where are they? Let's grab a different color. Ooh. Again, I've got him propping on one arm and playing with the other. Uh-huh. Yeah. This side definitely looks a little trickier. I'm supporting behind his head this time, not just the elbow. Nicely done. I don't want those to go in your mouth. So from your lap, it's an easy way to work on that propping on one arm and playing with the other. This is super work. I hope this is helpful, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye. If you liked this video and would like to be notified by email when the next video comes out, click the subscribe button here and click the golden bell icon and ensure notifications are enabled on your account.